Good morning, everyone. Out here, day 3 with Sean and Christina. We have a lot of clips that we're just gonna kind of dump into this video. It's been pretty hectic, pretty crazy. It's really tough out here with 2 clients, especially when they're learning. They're getting very proficient with the Sheepshead. We've been doing very well. Hopefully today is the same. It's 6 a.m. out here a little early, trying to beat the traffic. We are going to scan a couple pilings up close, move our way out, do some searching. Hopefully trying to find a citation fish today. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is just going to be a bunch of clips. Most of the hook sets are not in the video. We kind of just record when we're on a fish. I have some footage from their point of view and some for mine. Like I said, some of it's a bit hectic, some of it's a little crazy, but we're gonna get on it. Hopefully we get on them today. It is a lake out here, absolutely glass calm. It's only supposed to get calmer. Kind of different from what we've been experiencing lately, but they should be hitting the water pretty soon, and hopefully we'll get some action from today as well. There it is.
I gotta start recording. This feels like a nice one. Oh. I'll probably tighten the drag in a bit, or... Whew! Alright. Hey Meta, stop recording. Dude, this is not even a huge one.
Nah.
It's just like a...
There's no quitting them, dude. They just... No, you're good. You're big enough to hold with grippers. Just look at your
Hey Meta, take a photo.
Yeah.
Yeah. I still have your grip.
Oh, that's all right. Yep. Definitely a sheep.
One of us will net it.
There it is.
Holy.
No, you're good. You're good.
In the right position.
Yep, camera's still on. Nice.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, Sean's on another one.
All right. Well, he came up real easy, and now he's.
I'm not gonna pedal, I don't wanna.
Yep.
Got him?
If my neck can get him. Holy.
Careful, don't break the net.
Yeah.
Dude, kayak
Oh my god.
kayak fishing is such a show. That's gotta be close, man. Here, you want me to grip him or?
Yeah.
22 and 3/4.
22. All right.
Almost 23. We'll call him 23. 22 and 3/4. All right, here, hold them up for a good picture. Don't let him go around this piling. Just keep backing up. Yep, you're good. Just drift. Does it feel like you're on the piling? No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Yep. Yeah. This is a big fish, dude. Oh no! Popped off. Don't go too far back until you're sure he's out of the pilings. I'm not 100% sure he's out. That's another good one, dude. Yeah. See if you can swing them this way. Dude.
Okay. It's clearly not happening.
Man, he does not like the boats. Perfect.
It's a smaller one for sure.
Second dinner one. Yeah, that's a perfect second dinner one. Pedal backwards if you can. Oh, that's a monster. That one gave up so quick. That's a monster. It's 23 and a half.
Oh, that's so close. Can I get a picture?
Yeah.
That is so close.
Just careful of the spines. Nice.